Hello, my beautiful people. Guess what came in the mail? My Goddess Provisions box. I opened it and it smells terrific. And I have to tell you, some of you know this, that I watch Hestia open hers first. 1 month, because I think we got these a few days apart. We should do it together. We should unpack together. That would be fun. Hop in a Zoom room, do it together. It comes with a little book, which we are not going to read, but the month is Renewed by Moonlight. And August is a fun month because it has 2 full moons in it. So we had one on the 1st in time for Lunasa, and we'll have one again at the end of the month. All right, so what is in this box? Oh, incense cones, dragon's blood. Oh, that smells good. You're going to have to open it. Oh, it smells like church. Did they use dragon's blood in Anglican church? Because that's exactly what it smelled like. Well, that'll port me back to my childhood and my life as a nun, or would-be nun. Magic tea, Pelo Azul, 2 tea bags. Oh, it's fluorescent tea. Oh, I remember when Hester was talking about this. I'm like, oh, can't wait to check that out. I'm going to drink that tonight. I'll take pictures or do a video or drink it with you or something. Ha ha! Fluorescent tea, who doesn't need that? We have some stones. I have no idea what this is, but sometimes I look at stones and I think, you know, they could probably chop up cement and all of us witchy people would be like, oh, that's so cool. I don't think this is cement. I do like rough cut stones. No idea what stone it is. And I didn't pay attention when Esther was talking about it. Well, I did pay attention in the time, but then I forgot. It's interesting. This one comes all loosey-goosey, and this one comes in a bag. So I don't know what this is. Oh, but it's cool. It's like, oh, shiny and cool. I'm going to guess it's moonstone. Although I think that's white. I think moonstone's like a whiter stone. No idea. Alright, what else we got here? We have Blue Moon Ritual Mist. Now, I'm excited because Hester was saying it smelled like juicy fruit. And or cotton candy. A cross between cotton candy and juicy fruit. So, let's see if I agree with her. Let's see, shall we? It'd be fun to get a whole group of us that get this box together to do an unboxing together. I don't know, I didn't... Mine doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't smell like juicy fruit or cotton candy. It doesn't smell bad, but it's... I don't know. I like the other one that you were talking about, Hestia. I like that one. The protection one. That was nice. Oh, I saw this. This is this cool necklace. I have a pin board where I put all the necklaces, because, I mean, I already wear 4. I look like Mr. T, so I can't get away with wearing more. But, oh, wow, this is pretty weighty. That's like the moon and stuff. That's pretty. That'll go on my necklace board. I like the little bag it comes in. I have a bunch of these little bags. Oh, that's cool. The thing that I was very excited for, which I'm going to order these from this shop. It's a shop. Mind and Body Bath Soak. Full relaxation. Epsom salt and coconut milk. And I make my own bath salts out of Epsom salt. I don't use coconut, so I'm eager to try it out and see if I like it. I use lavender. And then the thing that I like, the big item is this. I know what it is, but I'm excited. It's kind of funny though, because I know what it is, and I'll tell you in a second why I think it's a little bit funny. But it's this cool moon plate. It comes with a little hook. I don't know what the hook is for. I guess to hang it up. Oh. And that's cool. And then there's this thing. I guess that's how you hang your cone. I have no idea. I have no idea what the hook thing is for. Hopefully it will tell me why. I was thinking that's where you would put a stick. But maybe it's where you put the incense. I don't know, but it's cool anyway. Definitely, it looks cooler in person than it did on video. So that's the box this month. You know, Goddess Provisions never disappoints me. I'm never disappointed with them. All right, let's see what the book says. I love their book, too. Got lots of stuff in it. Body soak, incense dish. Elevate your incense ritual and create a mystical ambiance. Add ethereal beauty to your sacred space with this all-in-one dish that accommodates rope, stick, and cone incense, as well as burn bundles. All right, so I'm a wee bit challenged to understand how it supports all of those things. And it's pretty, and I know where the stick incense goes, but where does the other incense go? Do you just kind of like stick it wherever? I feel like I need a how-to video. A tutorial. Hestia, give me a tutorial on how to use this thing. In your after-box review. Oh, the pretty blue tumble thing was Demortierite. Unlock your third eye and activate psychic abilities with high vibrational stone. Huh. Intellectual capacity. Some would say I'm at capacity. And this is blue quartz. Embrace awareness and happiness. And there's a bonus item. Alright. Bonus item. We have a special surprise for you. A bonus product that perfectly complements your Moon Goddess incense dish. Get ready to ignite and enjoy the enchanting item that you can burn in your sacred dish. Enjoy the magic. Oh, this is a gift that goes with it. So we probably all got different flavors of this. It's reverse karma. Oh no, maybe we all got the same one. I don't know. Incense cones, dragon's blood. Small batch, hand dipped, 20 cones. So that must be the special gift. Well, I'm gonna burn it, so I can relive my childhood in the Anglican Church, because apparently that's what they use, because that's what that smells like. Very good box. Love Goddess Provisions. It's I get my two favorite boxes are the Wee Box from Scotland and Goddess Provisions. I like these boxes. So I am wishing you all the very best in light and love. Be well, take care, and I'll check you out tomorrow. Or maybe later today if I decide to have a cup of tea and read some stones. Who knows? Anything could happen. So I'll see you later. Bye.